I'd like to invite Nick Cutmore, who's the Secretary General for International Maritime Pilots Association, to offer his opening remarks this morning.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very great privilege for me as a partner in this coalition to speak at the opening of this first conference here in Brussels today as part of the Navigating a Changing Climate Initiative and Action Plan. Maritime pilots worldwide, whom I represent at the International Maritime Organization, have the greatest respect for PIANC, our partner and main driver in this coalition and this initiative to raise awareness on climate change issues in the waterborne industries and related communities. This first conference intends to deliver action and to raise awareness. It's a tremendous, unprecedented opportunity for an exchange of information and, critically, networking, so that everyone here can learn, contribute, and ultimately benefit from the work of the coalition. For maritime pilots around the world, handling increasingly large ships within limited infrastructure, climate change represents a huge challenge to be met, managed, and countered. The very first stage for us in meeting this challenge is to understand the issue properly. I would be terribly glib if I were to say that I understood climate change. For many, it's simply a matter of rising seawater levels. Pilots already look at climate change bringing different weather patterns of wind, precipitation, temperature, visibility, and a whole host of other unheralded new phenomena, such as storm surges and the very changing of our actual coastlines and rivers. Many of my members navigate in great rivers, such as the Amazon, where for possibly 5 days and nights, they can navigate an ocean-going ship up an entirely natural waterway. It's so natural, it doesn't have any aids to navigation, it's undredged, and indeed it has very limited cartography or hydrography. Pilots and ship's bridge teams navigate knowing that if they come to grief, there are no tugs to hand or any other assistance. They have to work with nature, knowing that nature is always changing. Water levels here and in many other ports and estuaries and rivers around the world can vary suddenly and very significantly. And this can often be related, for instance, to unexpectedly high or low rainfall within a catchment area, maybe hundreds or even thousands of miles away. These events cannot be controlled in the short term, and we need firstly to understand them in order to be able to work with them. Working with nature, one of the 4 pillars of the Coalition's initiative that we just heard about, is very much the way marine pilots work, both in the past, but increasingly so for the future. So I want to say again how much we at the International Maritime Pilots Association, and I'm sure I speak for other partners in the coalition, value the work of PIANC in bringing us here today. I, for one, am here to listen and learn, and I hope you find it of value in understanding how climate change issues will impact on the waterborne transport industry. Thank you.